it'll come up. Yeah!
Boom.
That's pretty neat, actually.
What was she drinking on the bathroom?
While you
Was
have
it
a
Blue
potty.
Lagoon, I believe?
Oh gosh.
Well, I missed something.
Maybe it's good that you did.
Okay.
All right, let's never talk about that again.
Okay.
If you want to make your poop checkered,
If you want to strain pasta,
you want to straight pasta in your toilet.
all you need is a toilet and a 3D pen.
Oh gosh.
they just make.
Why is she shaving?
Uh-huh.
Why is she shaving?
Because
she has some hairs there.
I'm so confused.
It's natural.
it's okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Ew! I don't know why it's so gross, but yeah.
It's okay.
It's
Oh,
okay.
oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
All right, it's okay.
That's also okay.
That's not okay.
No, it's okay.
What? That's awesome.
What is how is there? Oh,
That's smart. Yeah.
What if you make a hole?
We should make a hole to
Yes.
it. We should make one.
Exactly, yeah.
That's
Our
awesome.
5-minute graphs make a hole and make it more often.
Yeah.
Or we do.
Oh.
Yeah. That is some really visual, gross stuff.
That's some Michael Bay visual effects.
Yeah. Clean your bathroom! Ugh, what is that coming out of your sink, dude? Jeez. Just break it and get a new sink. Oh, and okay, well, what? This seems like a little excessive, but okay. Is that really how you clean it? I feel like you could just get a sponge. What's next? What's next? We got a dishwashing tablet in a little bottle. Put a spray can thing on it. And now you have a cleaner. Okay, you could also, I mean, yeah, if you don't have any cleaner and you happen to have one of those dishwashing things, sure. You could also just wash your dishes with it. Leftover soap, fold it up. I always find that really nasty, especially when it's like there's a little water in the soap holder as well. Ah, now it's a toilet cleaner. That's kind of cool. Does it make that color? I don't know. Difficult to wear? No problem. We're gonna shave our head. No, we're just gonna put a trash bag over our head then. Okay. Beautiful. Yeah, you can actually do that and then reuse it on your teeth. It's really good. Just kidding, don't do that, please. Now we have some nice soap. We have a pizza table. They say those things are to actually keep the lid of the pizza box away from the pizza when it's being transported, but I think it's little tables, so you can feel like a giant. Okay, so we have a sake with a hole in it, and now we have a weird tube, and it's a loofah cleaner. Okay, it's pretty good, pretty good. I like it. Oh, uh-oh. That didn't work out very well. We got some Vaseline. Oh, hey. Buy me dinner first, okay? Nice. Good organization. Your toothpaste won't squeeze out. What do? You put the cap back on, you take it next to a corner, and you just pull that thing. Now it's ready.
Like you pee standing up, like a man.
I like it.
Pee like a man.
Oh,
It's kinda, yeah.
I think it's useful. I saw it many times.
Okay, that thing.
What
That thing.
What that thing?
Surprising thing. It's a blue urine. I think he has a problem.
He has a problem, I guess.
He has a problem.
With the control of everything.
But I mean, if you have blue urine, you need to see a doctor.
Yeah, for sure.
Kinda not normal. Okay, the light.
Oh, it solved the
It
problem,
should
right?
solve the problem.
Okay,
I mean,
there we go.
what about just installing a light in the bathroom, like inside, not the toilet, but the bathroom itself?
But because, you know, at night time, it's good, I mean, disrupts you all this light, and that's the thing, I guess. Okay.
Maybe not a strong one. Okay. I'm curious. Is it her husband or is it her son? Because like he looks like a kid.
I think they just compare the man approach to use the, you know, the toothbrush and how many use.
This is kind of magic. See,
That's really nice gadget.
happy. Okay.
Okay.
Was it like
I-
she fell asleep? What happened?
Because
Like,
it's,
why?
I mean, very sleepy moment
yeah.
here,
And
and
he's
you like,
sliding
yeah,
down
you're sliding
kinda.
down. I have never.
Oh, it's a first date. He's gonna kiss her hand. Oh my god, it smells bad. Ew.
What? Because of what? She.
it was
Oh,
a
that's a
fish.
true. This could be
Yeah. And garlic as well.
garlic, yeah,
Garlic,
onion as well, and all
onions,
this
Yeah.
weird
okay.
thing. I guess you need just to use the gloves, right?
Yeah,
And this is the
gloves.
problem.
Yeah, I think so.
But never used it. If I do something with the onion, of course it smells so good.
Yeah.
But okay.
But I mean, probably you don't have a girlfriend. That's why you kind of not close. So was it like a metal soap?
Yes, it was a metal soap.
When life gives you lemons, what do you do with it? Put them in a toilet
Yeah, for sure.
and then flush. And then, oh no, I'm on top of my phone. What the heck, dude? What do I do? What do I
felt this
do?
hit.
Take my stockings and I put it over the toilet. Okay, so now I cut a hole in the toilet stocking, and now, whoa!
Whoa! But
That doesn't, the hole doesn't look big enough. What if you had Taco Tuesday? All right.
In anyways, it's like
Why does she have such weird
Gotta be
appliances in the toilet? She just had a soldering thing. Okay.
aha.
So she cleaned fruit in there. Why is she cleaning fruit in there?
Because
Okay.
you need to have a clean fruit, right?
Yeah, I guess so. And then
Yes.
she can drop walnuts. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, you left the toilet seat up. Freaking monster. Freaking monster.
At least he put it there.
Did you ever have a problem with leaving the toilet seat up?
No, I'm not. Maybe yes. Me personally, I didn't have this problem. Maybe
Yeah.
another person in my.
I grew up with two
Yeah.
girls, so
Okay.
I never had the problem because after the first time they were like, ah!
Okay. And you start to do all your business by sitting.
Yeah, yeah, basically, right? No.
Yeah.
Okay, but I have an idea. We got a shower curtain rod. And we're gonna put all of our bottles on this thing somehow. Oh, okay, with little clips. That's pretty clever, but we can only do it with those types. What about the other types? Ooh, why is there popcorn in your toilet, sir? Making some holes in the toothpaste? What for? Ah, to clean out your toilet. I guess that might work, potentially. Oh my gosh, the water keeps getting in my face. That's just you maybe stop doing it at that angle, sir. Okay, pull all this stuff up. Boom. That's a little more clever than the other one, I would say. I like that one. Oh my gosh, I can't see anything in the mirror. It's all foggy. Maybe don't put the shower on hot for so long. Get a lemon, rub it off. Not like that. And then, boom, we got a clean image. Okay. So now we got a nice little thing. Okay, that's good. Using some rugs. That's pretty clever. I think you could probably get more on that way. If you're okay with spending an hour clipping everything. We're taking the top of our baby wipes and we're gluing it to our lovely wall because we want to ruin that and we want to devalue our house. Okay. We have a nice little towel here, folded up, nice and good. Boom, just like a butler. Looks nice, looks beautiful. It's cool. It's a good way to, surprise your spouse. Be like, hey, I saw this on 5 Minute Crafts, babe. And she's like, ooh, 5 Minute Crafts? Just for me? Oh, okay. That's when you know you're doing things right. All right, nice little display there. Cut our our toothpaste. Get some mouthwash, mix it together, and now you have soup. The worst soup in the world. Okay, what are we doing? We're pouring it into a new container. Why do we need to do this? And that's... okay. What is the point of any of this? Okay, that's just to get the stuff in between your tiles. I forgot what that's called. What is that called again? Okay, we got some water and some cheese. Mix it all together and presto changeo, we got some water cheese. I think it's soap actually. Okay.